Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dryer drum belt switch in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit or a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. You may need to detach the venting from the dryer to fully access the rear of the laundry center. You may also need to shut off the incoming water and remove the hot and cold water supply lines as well. If necessary, remove the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer access panel. Set the panel aside. Pull the mounting bracket retaining tabs outward to release the old belt switch. You can use the needle nose pliers to help disconnect the wires. To install the new belt switch, first connect the wires to the terminals. With the switch actuator facing the idler arm, snap the switch into place in the mounting bracket. Reinstall the access panel by inserting the tabs into the slots first. Then rethread the screws. If necessary, reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting if required, and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on if necessary. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.